Hello, everyone. I have some onion and some mushrooms. I have some mixed vegetables. And I have my drop of rice that I left over from this morning. And it was so good, boys and girls, when I made that rice. So I'm making some today. Some more rice with my leftover rice because I didn't want to make anything else. I have my fried rice seasoning. And I have some chicken breasts from Walmart. And I have to dry off my can. Don't worry, I didn't go anywhere. Usually I rinse it off, but Coral told me before not to rinse it off because the brine in there is good. So I'm just going to chunk it up a little bit and put some in my pot. I don't want to make too much because I don't want leftovers. It's like maybe 8 o'clock. I just want enough to eat for right now. Oh, I might need a little bit more. Boys and girls, I hope I don't eat the whole thing, the whole pot. I meant to say the whole, you know what I mean. Oh, I think I need a little bit more chicken. This chicken tastes good. I haven't had that chicken in a long time. I'm gonna put in some of this beautiful seasoning. And some more of this. I actually want some more chicken in there. So I'm going to put a little bit more chicken in there. I'm going to taste it to see how it tastes. Ooh. Oh, it tastes good. And you know what is even nice? The moistness. The moistness that's nice. But I didn't want to make 2 meals, but I might as well make 2 meals since I do have the other can. The other can there. Matter of fact, let me just scoop this over here since it's already done and I just need to dry it out. And I'm gonna make my other meal with this here. I'm gonna put in a can of cream of chicken soup. I gotta wash my can off. So this is the meal I was gonna make, but I'm gonna put a can of chicken soup in there. I don't know if I want the whole thing in there. I don't think I want the whole thing in there. Uh-oh. I wasn't thinking properly. Now I'm going to put in the rest of my chicken. I don't want to put the chicken in the refrigerator for another day. Okay, and I might as well put the brine in there. I should have just dumped the whole thing in there. I'm going to rinse out the can a little bit. And that's my thing. And of course I'm going to put in the rest of my vegetables. And let me tell you something. The elevator's broken and my daughter sent me some groceries and the groceries was taken. Now you're going to see, I'm going to open up this right here. I'm going to turn it up a little bit because I needed to get a boil while I wash my can off and my hands. And I just cut it right there. And then I bust it right there. And then I just open it up the best way I can. My hands are wet though. Y'all don't want to see me cause a crime in here, do y'all? Nope. And then I just open the can up like that. Now there's my dumpling that I'm going to put up in here. need a minute to wash up and clean up my kitchen. Wow. Look at that. I don't know which one I'm going to eat. I might have to eat this one because I probably can't make my dough balls last more than a day. Hope I like it because I don't really like that. Sometimes I don't like the soup mix. That's why I only used a little bit. So I'm gonna taste some of it. Need a little bit of seasoning. And I'm going to put in, I think I have core in here somewhere. Nor or whatever that is. Where is it? Uh-oh. Where is my, uh-oh, boys and girls. I know I have it. I'm going to put some of this in there. Just a little bit. And that's this right here. This is so, look at this, looks so good. I saw somebody cut up some biscuits today and made it in their soup. I said, oh no, boys and girls, this girl done ran out of groceries almost. I know exactly, not fully, but you know what I mean. Stuff to really make a meal with. So I'm gonna wash my spoon off. And try it again. I think I could turn it down a little bit though. My biscuits look done. Oh my goodness. Woo! Woo! That's good. Woo! Boys and girls. Mama ready to eat now. Not right now. Look at that biscuit over there getting brown. Let me turn this off because the meat was already cooked. That's done. I'm gonna take that off the fire. Put my oil back. And I'm gonna taste this rice. I don't know which one I want to actually eat right now because I'm not really hungry, but at least now I have something to eat. Ooh, that's a little too hot. Oh, they're both delicious, boys and girls. Thank you so much for watching my video. I'm going to put my top back on it and go back to what I was doing. And thank you so much for watching my video, liking, and subscribing. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.